Protesters wouldn't let the Health Minister drive away from his announcement about Dunedin Hospital today without letting him know their thoughts on the issue. Simeon Brown revealed a new, albeit scaled-back hospital would be built. But one protester questioned what his word was worth. Laura Tupou reports.
It was all smiles for the newly minted Health Minister, bringing certainty to Dunedinites.
The government will build the new inpatients building, completing the new Dunedin Hospital here at the former Cadbury site. We have listened.
Referring to the protests in September last year when the government broke the news that the Dunedin Hospital build could not proceed as planned, citing a budget blowout. A report projected the build could cost up to $3 billion, nearly double the original budget set in 2017. But today, a new plan with new numbers.
Last year, the government invested an extra $290 million towards the new Dunedin Hospital project, bringing the total funding for the project to $1.88 billion.
But it still fell short of National's election promise to build what was planned. Dunedin's mayor summing up the mood.
As happy as can be expected.
Because there was some good news.
A critical element for that is having the full and complete structure. So that's being built. So I think, we've got to go one step at a time.
But it's what's within the hospital that's crucial.
We're not getting all of the services and facilities up front, but there's clear intention to provide them.
The main differences are the number of beds and theatres. The hospital will now have 351 beds with capacity to expand to 404, fewer than the scrapped plan under Labour. There will also be fewer theatres, although there could be up to 24 over time.
Our review of the project means the hospital will be future-proof for growth, with no change to the number of floors to be built.
But it's building trust with locals that the minister may struggle with. A group surrounding his Crown car minutes after he made the announcement. One asking what the minister's word was worth. The mayor taking a positive approach to developments before the end of the build in 2029.
There's quite a few years between now and then, and there's quite a few years for improvement in the economy.
And there'll be a general election too, and the government knows Dunedinites will be watching progress closely.